No worries.
I've got to ring up and get your number. Yeah, I know.
I thought as police officers you're taken off to protect.
We do, and that's why I've said.
Well, that's not protecting, is it? That's going against my rights.
No, it's not going to get.
Well, yeah, it is.
Okay.
So, on what did you? So, was it just an inquiry that was given, or so when I shown you my badge, was you suspicious?
Yes.
So, what's the point of wearing an ID badge?
A heated confrontation between citizens and Warwickshire police, complete with tension, questions, and accusations. The man in the video claims he was searched, discriminated against, and the police dodged responsibility. Who is right? Who is wrong? And most importantly, where do people's rights lie in this situation?
I assume that's so you can show it to people when you knock on their door.
Yeah. But end of the day, I've been looking up on the law. I've had complaints about West Midlands police before because they're all corrupt bastards.
Okay, well,
it's not illegal. Judge Bean also ruled it's not illegal to swear at police.
Police isn't here. This is Warwickshire.
Yeah,
so
well,
I
it's
can't
not.
speak for West Midlands.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, it's not actually illegal to swear at the police.
It's illegal
And if
to
you want
swear
to,
in public, okay.
well, it's not illegal to swear in public. It's
Section
illegal for you
5
to search
public
people in public when they've done that fucking wrong.
Okay.
Is this how you treat? Is this how you on camera? Is this how you treat everyone that serves the country? Then yeah.
What do you mean by service?
I'm in the Army Reserves. But is this how you treat everyone? So I fight for my country, and you think I'm a criminal?
Didn't say you were a criminal, did I?
Well, obviously by searching me, you must have thought I was. I said, was I suspicious? You went, yeah. So what's the point of wearing a badge that's issued by a licence through the police and the councils and the courts for you to call me illegal?
You're showing me a Safe Style UK market research.
You can't make them
badge.
because if you were to ring that number there, they would have validated who it was.
Papa Charlie 409. Can I give you a call for a stop search number, please? Just to take that telephone number down then.
You can do what you want. This is what you get, people with Warwickshire police corrupt as fuck, searching you for no reason.
I explained the search to you at the start.
Yeah, well, I hope
Hello,
you
DC Mountford here. Can I get a stop search number, please?
From the start, the people asked a very clear question: are you protecting me or infringing on my rights? The police argued that their actions were legal, but the people responded with a very strong statement: I serve the country, and you search me like a criminal. His attitude was not fearless. On the contrary, he was resolute, knew the law, and was ready to fight. This led to a series of heated arguments about the right to appeal to superiors, the right to refuse to be searched, and the transparency of the police.
It'll be on YouTube anyway.
You can put it on YouTube.
I know I can.
That's fine.
I've done it with plenty of other ones. But the funny thing is, obviously, you've assaulted me, so that's even better.
No, I wasn't talking to you. Whenever you're ready for the details, please. Yeah, it's regarding Telford Avenue.
Where's the other police officers?
The other police officers around the corner. Yes, it is this way.
Have you got a supervisor?
Yes, and a sergeant.
Have you? Where is he?
He's in the station.
Oh, I want to speak to a supervisor.
Okay, well.
Well, no. If I'm asking to speak to a supervisor, you have to allow me to speak to a supervisor.
You can ring in.
No, I want to speak to him here. And let's see how unprofessional you've been. Yeah. Is that all right? So you're refusing to serve a member of the public? Yeah. Is that what you're saying?
No.
Well, it is. I'm asking you for a supervisor. When you ask for a supervisor, you're meant to get me a supervisor.
No, I don't get you a supervisor.
Well, what's your attitude? You're on camera. Well, don't talk. Listen, don't talk to me like a retard, yeah? I'm your master. You're the public servant, mate. You've taken off my tax money pays your freaking wages, yeah?
Okay.
So why don't you have a bit of respect for the public?
Right.
Yeah, exactly. Because you're corrupt.
I'm not corrupt.
Yeah, you are.
Okay. You're not my master.
Well, I am, because my tax money pays your wage. Well, yeah, you're here to serve the public. Am I not a member of the public? Am I not a member of the public?
I'm a member of the public as well.
Well, but when you wear that uniform, you think you're better.
No,
Yeah, you do.
I'm better.
You're all public servants. You're the public slaves. That's what it is.
Who's your boss, please? Safe start.
A key point of this confrontation was the request to see a superior. The citizen insisted, I have the right to see someone in authority, but the police flatly refused, saying that there was no obligation to call the supervisor to the scene. Comment: this is when the people move from questioning to direct confrontation, using shocking statements such as, I am your boss, you are a public servant who takes tax money. You are public servants. It is clear that anger has reached its peak, but it also shows many people feel disrespected when they encounter the police.
Why?
Hey?
Why?
So we're ringing him.
Yeah.
That's fine. You can ring him, he's got the number, so you can
Has
ring
he got the
him.
number already, is he?
Yeah.
There's three.
Excellent. Speak to him.
Don't worry.
Yeah.
I know police don't like it when they're being filmed. I know police don't like it being filmed,
Well,
but
how
it's
about we
tough.
follow you around all day with a camera?
You do that because then I'll get you done for protection from harassment.
Why?
Go on, follow me around. Please follow me around because then I'll have more to put against you.
I'll stop filming you then.
That's fine. You're a public servant, you're not allowed to.
I see this on YouTube. It's called cop watch.
I've already been told I'm going on YouTube.
Right.
Well, you have to show people, the people that we expect to protect us are all corrupt.
Okay. And
Yeah, I know. Don't worry, I've got a YouTube channel.
Brilliant.
And everyone that sees the cops around these areas all calls them wankers.
Tell me what details you need. No, not local, I don't believe. PNC or previously
It's amazing, isn't it, what a camera does when you film police. Otherwise I probably would have been on the floor by now. Because that's what you all like doing, that's why you like the badges and the cuffs, so you can assault people.
Just a person.
Illegal stop shirts, why don't you put that down?
Junction Telford Avenue, Leicester Lane.
And I have asked this officer numerous times for a supervisor, but obviously he says he doesn't have to get me a supervisor when he actually does.
No, I don't.
And to be honest, I serve laws, I don't go under act structures or policies.
You can ring in,
Yeah.
it's 101.
No, why should I waste my credit?
As time went on, people asserted their rights more forcefully. I was allowed to film. I was searched without reason. I was treated like a suspect, even though I had committed no crime. And the remarkable thing was, no evidence was found. No screwdriver, no suspicious behavior, just a call from someone saying someone looks suspicious.
You're the one that wants to
No,
speak
I
to
want a supervisor, I want someone who's in charge of you.
It doesn't work like that.
Well, yeah, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does. Don't try telling me what's what. You're a copper,
work
you don't,
like
to be honest, for a one copper, you've literally got no sense, have you?
Okay. Doesn't work like that. I've told you what it is.
What's your
already.
badge number? 1238?
Yeah.
What's your badge number?
Read it.
Oh, 137. And what's your officers in there? What's he, a sergeant, or is he just a normal police officer?
No, we're all PCs, thank you.
PCs.
Yeah. Comes to all work.
Yes, please, go ahead.
So, did you take an oath? Did you take an oath?
Yes? What's that got to do with that?
Well, obviously you're not following your oath, are you?
Why?
Because you're not.
Why? Why am I not?
I follow laws.
If you think you know
Yeah,
everything, you tell me
listen,
why I'm not following my
I
own.
follow laws, yeah? I don't follow
Yeah,
act
so,
statutes or
email
the
us
stupid
for
police
it.
policies.
Well,
Right, you've
Well,
wanted...
you wouldn't if you're a police-
No,
unless you're a police
he
officer,
assaulted me because I refused him to search.
okay.
And I've
You
not
got
been...
refused
I'm
to
not on
search.
suspicion or
Yeah,
convicted of a crime.
yeah.
You've made a public inquiry because some nosy ass bastard has rang in saying someone's got a screwdriver. Did you find a screwdriver?
No, we didn't, but that's
Exactly.
our job.
No.
We did our job.
Well, there you go.
Search you, didn't we?
And I don't think someone's going to walk around working, trying to rob a
Just 'cause
house.
you've got a safe style badge on, that makes you that
So?
you might not be a
Okay.
criminal.
So?
Does it? Oh, well, that'd be clever. If
Oh,
every
so
criminal went
all
round
the
wearing
hard
a
work I
safe
put in to
style
get in the
badge.
army reserves, I'm really going to fuck up for trying to break in someone's house, aren't I?
I'm not
Okay,
really bothered
Samuel.
what you're doing.
Yeah.
Okay, we're doing
But
our
wait until
job.
you get a phone call from the fucking military police. You won't be fucking happy then.
Why?
So I'll make sure they fuck you over.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Make sure they have your badge
So
number.
now
Make sure you
you're
lose your
threatening
job.
as well, are you?
No, make sure you lose your job.
Well,
And that isn't
you
a
do
threat,
your
that's a
very best
promise.
to try and get me to lose
Listen,
my
mate,
job.
I've done it before to
Okay.
officers. Don't worry
Have
about
you
that.
really?
Yeah.
Samuel, there is a copy of your receipt.
Yeah. So, thank you for the illegal search.
Legal.
Illegal.
Legal.
Illegal. Yeah, well, obviously, maybe you need to work on your oath and be able to protect the public instead of harassing the fuckers.
We are protecting the public.
Well, no, you're not.
Okay.
We are.
Thank you very much for
I
your time.
want a supervisor.
Supervisor won't come out. You know how to do it.
I don't care, mate. If I ask for a supervisor... Listen, you're public servants. Do your job.
We are
I am
doing
doing
our
my
job.
job.
What do you think we're
Really?
doing?
Yeah.
No, you're all corrupt fuckers. That's what it is.
Oh, we're all
Okay.
corrupt fuckers,
Yeah.
are we? Oh,
How
well
are we
done.
corrupt?
Because you are. Someone asked...
Just 'cause you
No, because
say-
you know you fucked
because
up. I asked for a
you say-
supervisor. You can't even ring a supervisor saying someone
Why
wants
is
to
the
speak to
supervisor
you.
going to come out? Have you
Last
got a
time I got
complaint?
pulled by you, I asked for a supervisor. Guess what? Guess who come out? A sergeant.
Well, that's
Okay.
nice. That's our Jane
Bring
can
him.
come out. Do you want to go and see him? Go and see him at the police station.
So I've got to waste my time to see when he should be
Well,
here because I
you
pay his
don't wanna
wages.
waste his
But we
time,
pay
no.
his wages. He's
Thank you
meant to...
The people said he was a military reservist and that the search without reason was an insult. He even said he would contact the military police to make a formal complaint. The rhetoric intensified when he said, "I have made police lose their jobs before, and I will do it again." Although the people's tone was somewhat extreme, we cannot deny that. He knows his rights, he is not afraid of confrontation, and he demands accountability from those who represent the law.
Oh, you pay? Well,
Yeah.
I'll give you a 10.
Police are all scumbags, that's what it is.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Do your job properly, find proper criminals.
Pleasant,
Well, it's alright, maybe next time when you come out to do a stop you can have a proper attitude yourself. Scumbags.
yes. Don't go around the back of anyone's house.
Well, did they get round the back? No. Now you're making an... No, now you're making an assumption.
I'm giving you some helpful guidance.
No, what next? Are you going to come down and body slam me?
Hey?
What are you going to do next time? Assault me again?
Assault you, I'm going to assault you.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
You have.
Thank you very much for your time.
No, I'm allowed to stand here and film you because you're servant.
Thank you very much.
Don't worry about it, I'm still filming you.
Thank you for your time.
You alright? Not really, not when we're getting illegally stopped.
Where's all your paperwork for your job today?
Don't need to show you paperwork. I'm not breaching data protection as well as all the other crap you said I've done.
Well, just out of curiosity, if you were going doing sales and stuff, surely you'd have paperwork with you, wouldn't you?
Did you not see my paperwork on the side inside my wallet? Did you not see the leaflets folded up?
Sorry. I'll see if you can catch that.
Yeah, same here. With you two.
Finally, the citizen dropped a heavy sentence. The police are men in uniform and abuse their power. He said, if it weren't for the camera, he would have been thrown to the ground. And the scary thing is, a lot of people have experienced that. Public trust in the police doesn't come from laws, it comes from actual actions. And in this video, disrespect, refusal of superiors, and unreasonable searches don't help build that trust.
Biggest criminals in the world are the ones that wear the police uniform. See, they all walk off now, they don't like being filmed. Candy camera. Look at this copper here looking for an invisible screwdriver. See, this is the way the British police enforce fake laws. See, now this is where they try and find something to try and pin on you. But guess what, officers? Out of fucking luck. And just to let people know, it's not illegal to swear at coppers because they serve us. They don't like to know, they don't like the fact that when you say you're the master, but guess what? Tough shit. They're all scumbags. They're all scumbags. So just to let you know, when you throw a cig on the floor, it's not actually illegal because the officer says it's not illegal. It allowed me to throw a fag on the floor. So I'll just say to them, if I throw the fag on the floor, am I going to get charged or ticketed? And they go no, because I know it's all bullshit. And I'm sorry about the footage not being too good. I know it cut out, which I do apologise to everyone, but the police illegally searched me with no suspicion of a crime. So yeah, so even when you've not been committed of a crime, you're still classed as a suspect, which is absolutely brilliant, isn't it? But just to let you know, don't allow the office to get away with anything, because they're all scumbags. Doesn't like being filmed, touch it. One sec, I've got to cut it off a minute just to start again.
No violations, no evidence, but still treated like criminals. So the question is, are the police abusing their power, or are people being too sensitive about their rights? Share your thoughts in the comments. Who do you support in this confrontation? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next analysis videos on civil rights, the law, and freedom to record police.